Hello friends, welcome to day 2 of CSS3 in 10 days. So here we will start with typography in day 2. So I have already gone ahead and created a folder with 2.1 typography, and inside it I have index.html and sandbox.css and the basic uh, HTML I have already created. Let me close this down. So this is the basic HTML. I have h1, then div is the sandbox is there, content, and these are the main things which we are going to target soon. Shadow typo is cool shadow it is showing, and this one is the 3D typo, 3D type it is showing. So let me go to my sandbox.css, and then let me first have a content font family. So we will have a font family bubble gum sans comma cursive comma roboto condensed, then let me have this one. It's okay. So let this be the font family. Yeah, and it's already been in effect. So first we will target this shadow typo. Shadow typo. Position will be relative. Display will be inline block. Font size will be 4 em. Yeah, it is already showing it quite big. I think we reduce the size here. Actually I am using it at 110%. I was using it at 120%. So text transform will be uppercase, color will be hash 00 B3 B4. What some error is there? Oh, I forgot this. So yeah, so the color cool shadow it is coming, but actually I don't want it in two things. So yeah, let me do it 100% itself so that it can come in one line. I don't want it in two lines. So let me go ahead and just we have to give a text shadow 3px 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 0x hash e7 eef1 10 comma 8px 8px 0px rgba 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0.1, and let me save it. And we have this cool gray type of shadow out there. So our shadow typo is done. So now we will target the next one, which is this 3D typo. So let me make some space for it. 3D typo, font size is 4em, text transform is uppercase, color is hash F2395A, transform skew by using skew -5 dig -5 dig rotate 5 dig. Rotate will have not this but this. So then after that, transform origin center center. Then the main thing, text shadow 1px 1px hash D10E31, then a comma. We'll have this 11 times. So this we have seen in the previous part also. This is a very good way to give the text shadow. Okay, come like, let me copy it 11 some more times. The last one should be always closed. So 1px 1px, then this one will be 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Actually I want 11 also. 11 again, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So this all, let me save it and show you. This 3D effect is coming, but this last one, these colors are same. See, this 3D effect is also good. This is not bad, but I want it a bit different. So let me change the last this color, last 3 colors, 1 2 3, yeah, it will be 890 920, a bit more dark. And this one, first let me change it like this one and show you. So see, this thinner one, this is this line, but 15px, this I will change not to be like this, but to be a RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.5. So it is transparent, and let me show. Now it is showing perfectly 3D. So this completes our cool shadow, and now we will learn about image clipping. So for that image clipping, we'll use a different folder. First let me get rid of my live server. Okay, it is offline. Then let me close this, let me close this, new folder with this clipping image. We'll learn this, then index.html, and sandbox.css. So index.html, again, I'm not going to show this index.html writing this, because the main part of this whole series is not HTML but CSS. So this is my index.html. Let me close it. As you might see, it is nothing but it contains some images within each section. Example 1, example 2, example 3, and it is we are taking it from Unsplash. So I have to go live. It opens in Safari, which is the default. I don't want it there, I want it here in Firefox. So see, by default it is like this, means some example and then some images are there. So let's start our clipping thing. So for this clipping, the first thing we are going to use, we're going to target this first example. So let me copy this clip image one, dot clip image one, and we are going to use this clip part property of CSS, which have this circle 50% at 50%, 50%, and see, it will make it a perfect circle and the image outside it is gone. So this is how we can make a perfect image out of this. And now we are going to use this clip image 2, but before using this, we are going to get the clip coordinates from a very good site known as buttonfly.com. so I have already, yeah, so this site, you come here, this message is there, you click on it and you will get this clip path from there. You just have to copy it. So I have copied it. Let me again do it, and then we just have to copy it and see, we'll see the magic, and see, it has been done like this, the clip part with a code. So that is the power of that site. So next, what we are going to do, we can do anything with that site. Let's target this, and this way you can create some very cool effect in a site. Clip image 3, and where is my site? Here is the site. I want this close. This is a very good thing. Close. So let me copy this. Let me post this. Then I have copied this, and see the magic. All the images inside across. So this clip art property is very powerful. You can give anything, circle, polygon, anything. So the next thing, let me use this, and where's my clip? Yeah, here is my clip. Let me do this, left arrow, copy it, close it, I don't need anymore, and save it, and see, arrow, it is come. So this is how simple it is to have this nice images cut down to different parts. So we're done with this. So the next thing which we are going to do, we are going to create a cool registration form. So let me again dispose this off and let me close this. And now a new folder. Again, I will have index.html and sandbox.css. Again, I am not going to write the index.html. So let me come here and write it down, save it. It will not reflect because I have not gone live. Let me close it and let me go live now, and it will open in my Safari. Copy it, paste it in my Firefox, and this is what it will look without any style. So our div is there, and inside that register block on S3 create an account, then a paragraph is there, then email, password and submit are there. So let us go ahead and create it. So this is sandbox, and we'll target the content first. Font family is not working. Why? Yeah, font family, bubblegum sans, comma, cursive, comma, roboto, condensed. Yeah, and I'm getting this cool cursive font with it, let it be 50%. Margin of 0 and auto, so it is in the mid. Now we will target this register wrapper. Background image we are going to use linear gradient, 135 degree, has 0 EEFF0, 30%, comma, hash 088 F90, 90%, and we have this cool linear gradient. Position is relative, z index is 3, padding is 100 pixel, giving it some breathing gap. Font size is 16 pixel. Color is hash 999999. Save it, and it is coming like this. Now again, this register wrapper, we will target register wrapper and everything inside it, and we will make the box sizing as border box. As you might know, border box means it will take everything, padding and everything into consideration. So it is like this. It is not showing me correctly because this form I have created it for not for a small screen. So let me do one thing. Let me do like this. So it is now showing me correctly. So let me reduce the size a bit here. Okay, so it is showing correctly now. Now after that, I will target the form input, register wrapper, then the form, and then the input. Display is inline block. Width is 100%. With only these two, so 100% width is been done. Let's give some padding, 0 and 20 px. Line height, yeah, line height is 50 pixel we are giving, so it is making it big. Background color is, yeah, background color is white is right. Border will be 1 px solid hash e6 e6 e6. Border bottom width, border bottom width is 3 pixel. So the border bottom is done. Border radius also 5 pixels so that it can be 5 edges. Yeah, 5 edges are done. I have to make some space. Outline is 0. Transition is all 0.3 sec is. So this is done. Next, register wrapper, form input, we are using the pseudo, not last child, so it is not the last child. Margin bottom 20 px. So we are targeting the inputs, all the inputs. So we have third one input is also our submit box, submit button. So except that everything will have a margin bottom, so like this. So after that, let me copy this. We are going to use it form input, but we are targeting type equal to email focus, comma, type equal to email active. Let me copy both of this now. This will be password, border color ccc. Save it. See, it is changing. So this is done. Next, in the submit button, we are going to have a cool effect in the submit button. So let us do that. Let me copy till here. Submit. Position will be relative again. Z index will be not inherit. Z index will be 1. Display inline block. Padding 0.20 pixel. Font size 1 RAM. Background color F239 FA. Background size, no, I don't want this. I want background size 100%. So again, I am going to use that background image property for that cool linear gradient thing. .45 degrees, comma, not here, here. Yeah, RGBA 255, comma 255, comma 255, and the opacity is this much, 25%. Then as usual, comma will be there. Control C, V, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one will have nothing. Let me remove this space. Yeah, so let's start. This will be 0, 0, 0, 0, 25%, 0, 0, 0, 0 at 50%. This is already showing. So 255, 255, 255 point. This will be at 50%, and this will be at 75%. Again, we will have this, I don't know why it comes nowadays, 0, and 0, but I don't want this because it will be at 100. Yeah, and let it be like this, and this will be at 75%. Save it and see, we'll have this full effect, next shade type of thing. Now background size will be 20 px, 20 px, comma 100%, 100%, and see, now this cool effect we have this, the 20 px, 20 px, and this only 20 px, and it is 100%. So this is how we can have this type thing. Border 1 px, solid hash F02146, border bottom width is 3 px, color is white, it is not looking good in black, the text color, outline is none, cursor is pointer, transition is all, 0.3 sec is okay. So let us put some hover effect also in it, because it should change. Hover, background size is 40 px, 40 px. See, it will change the size, and it will see as if it is animating. So now what we will do, we will add some property in this register title. So create an account. So let me go here, register title, font size is 1.5 em, padding bottom is 20 px, margin is 0, 0, 20 px, border bottom 1 px. I don't want solid, I want dashed, I want hash E6, E6, E6. Yeah, the title is there, and after registered title I will do this, add something for this register block which is wrapping everything. Position is again relative, display is block, width is 100%, max width is 300 pixel, margin is auto, padding is 30 pixel, background color is white, box shadow is 0050 pixel RGBA 0 4 time, not the last one will be 0.2, it is up for opacity. Why did it came twice? Okay, it is now okay. Border radius is 5 pixel. We save it. Yeah, it is coming nice now. Now this register block is there. We'll take this register block and we will add a before and a one after. Position absolute, because we have that one as relative, that is relative, so absolute will come inside it. Its index is -1, top is 0, left is 0, right is 0, bottom is not background origin but bottom is 0, display is block, with this 100%. You will soon see what we are doing. Height is 100%, content is this, background color is again white, border is 1px solid hash E6. Yeah, this one. What is giving error? Because I forgot the semicolon there. Border radius is 5px and transform its scale 0.9, translate 0, 0. Transition is all 0.3 sec is, and let me save it. And after that let's do register block hover before z index -1, transform, not transition, it is transform, scale is 0.96, translate is 0 comma 16px, and similar after the index is minus 2 point scale is this, it is double 32px. Save it and see when I take my mouse over here what is happening. These two are coming. So we had done this for this. So this completes our long day 2. Hope you liked this long day 2. See you soon in day 3.